Hi friends, and welcome back to Marilyn's Vegan Kitchen. If you're looking for a vegan dinner that's crispy, bright, herby, and incredibly satisfying, you are definitely in the right place.
So good, I have to try it.
Today I'm so excited to share my lemon dill tofu with high protein slaw that's restaurant quality but ridiculously easy to make at home with simple pantry staples that you probably already have. Start by pressing your extra firm tofu so it gets super firm and ready to soak up all that amazing flavor. We're using fresh lemon zest and juice, tamari, and a touch of garlic for that bright, savory punch that really makes the tofu shine. Then we create a creamy plant yogurt batter with a splash of apple cider vinegar that makes the panko stick perfectly and creates the most beautiful golden crust. The secret, a generous amount of dried dill, paprika, and garlic powder in the crunchy coating. Bake it until it's gorgeously golden and crispy. Every single bite is pure joy and packed with zesty, herby goodness. While that's baking, let's make the slaw. Thinly sliced cabbage gets mixed with loads of fresh dill, chopped capers for those addictive briny pops, and the creamiest dressing made from plant yogurt, mayo, Dijon, lemon, and a kiss of maple. It's high in protein, super refreshing, and the perfect cool, crunchy contrast to the hot, crispy tofu. This whole meal is perfect for meal prep, busy weeknight dinners, or impressing guests without spending hours in the kitchen. It's gluten-free, adaptable, oil light, and absolutely packed with vibrant flavor. I could seriously eat this every single week and never get tired of it. It's that good. What do you think? Are you team tofu or team slaw? Let me know below in the comments. If you love easy vegan recipes like this, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're the first to see every new upload. I read every single comment and can't wait to hear from you. Let's keep cooking delicious, wholesome vegan food together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.